So what does it mean for New Mexico? One same-sex couple with a pending lawsuit is now filing paperwork to take the case straight to the Supreme Court. If that happens, we could know much sooner than expected where New Mexico stands on the issue. News 13's Lizzie Mitri has the story.
Jessica, there are two options for New Mexico at this point. Either same-sex marriage will be decided in court or legislators will bring it to the people for a vote.
State law doesn't specify marriage as between a man and a woman, but New Mexico's applications for marriage licenses do.
And this would bring marriage equality to New Mexico.
Democratic State Representative Brian Egolf is also the attorney for a same-sex couple fighting for the right to marry in Santa Fe. He was at the courthouse today trying to file paperwork that would remove the pending lawsuit from district court and instead petition to take the case straight to the state Supreme Court.
This is not a common procedure, so they don't receive a lot of these requests. We are arguing that this is a matter of great public concern.
But ultimately, that's up to the Supreme Court to decide. Egolf is hoping to know within the next 2 weeks if they will indeed take up the case and decide the matter once and for all. But Republican Representative Nora Espinosa, who's against same-sex marriage, doesn't think the issue should be decided in court, but by a constitutional amendment.
Let the people speak. Let's put this to rest. Do they want marriage defined between one man and one woman? Let the people speak.
Espinosa wanted voters to decide if marriage should be defined as a union between a man and a woman. Egolf pushed for a different amendment to let voters decide if same-sex marriage should be legal. But both ideas died in committee. Espinosa thinks it could be hard to legalize gay marriage here with so many Hispanic Democrats.
I think that's the reason they also can't get it passed, is because the majority of Hispanics believe in marriage, and the majority believe in family values.
Representative Egolf is hopeful the Supreme Court will hear his case and clarify the law before the start of the January session. Jessica, back to you.
Okay, Lizzie, the ACLU is also representing a handful of same-sex couples in a separate lawsuit.
Police are